Hello and welcome back to the channel, where we will be going on another fantastic hike through the forest in this lovely fall day. Unfortunately, the leaves have now mostly fallen, so the trees are barren. It's gonna kind of look a little bit naked out here for a while, but soon spring will be here and the leaves will come back out and the flowers will start growing again, and the trails will be very, very muddy. But until then, let's just enjoy the beautiful weather we have now. It is a gorgeous negative 48 degrees out. Beautifully cold. I'm so cold that I believe my ears have now frozen off and fallen. Okay, none of that's true. It is getting a bit cold though. A bit nippy out. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Mike, and what we do is go on point of view hikes. So you see my point of view in beautiful 4K footage. And as I go along, I tell you a story. It could be a funny story, a dramatic story, a story within a story, sometimes a story about another story that's about a story about someone else's story. And I post a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. However, on Wednesday, I don't tell a story. Instead, I scream for about 25 minutes, and then I cry. And then once I'm done crying, I scream again for another 10 minutes or so. Actually, what we do here on Wednesday is I let you hear the sights and the sounds of what's going on around me. So no story, no funny quips, no interjections, just the sounds of the forest. And being that it is now fall and all the leaves have fallen to the ground, really what you're going to hear is a lot of crunching as I walk through those dead leaves. So enjoy it. Before we do get to that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Subscribing helps me, and it helps you. How does it help you? I mean, come on. You get more videos from me. I mean, do I really need to explain that? And how does it help me? Well, it tells YouTube, hey YouTube, people are subscribing to this guy's channel, so maybe others would like to see it too. And so then YouTube goes, okay, let's do that. And then they start showing more people my videos, and next thing you know, my channel becomes super popular and I'm a mega star just by walking in the woods doing nothing and these nonsense videos, you know, with no talent whatsoever. Also, please, I can't believe I'm gonna say it, smash that like button. Yeah, I don't know why everybody's saying it. Why are people saying smash that like button? Like, it started like 2 years ago. One person said it, and now everybody has to say it. Smash that like button. And I don't want to say smash that like button. You know what? I'm not. No, I'm not. You know what we're gonna do today? We're going to slap it. We're going to slap it. So if you like this video, be sure to slap that like button. It also helps. And oh yeah, there's that notification bell. So in case you forgot that I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, just click that notification bell and you'll be notified. There you go. So now, just sit back, relax, enjoy the sounds of this lovely hike in fall. That's right, weird-sounding voice. It is time for a shameless plug. This is where I interrupt the beautiful, relaxing, fun video, and I plug something shamelessly, because I have no shame. Seriously, I have no shame. And today I'm going to plug the refrigerator into the wall. So you're going to get to watch that. We're going to plug it right in. So let's just go. No. Today I am shamelessly plugging my role as the angry elf. Yes, the angry elf from the North Pole. Oh, he's angry. As a matter of fact, let me have him tell you.
What? You want a high-definition video from me? Santa's angriest elf? For what? A promotional video for your business? Message for a friend or family member? Party announcement? What? Oh, okay, I'll do it. Right here at Fiverr.com. Just for you, a little video from me, Santa's angriest elf. Bah! Humbug! Video extras? Like what? Background music? Your text? Logo? Blue screen? Ah! Yeah, I got that too! Well, what are you waiting for? Order today, why don't ya? Oh, jingle sticks! Oh!